Did you know that your daily bowl of oatmeal could turn into a poison if you're making any of these common preparation mistakes? What I'm about to share could be preventing you from getting the amazing health benefits of oats, or worse, it might actually be turning this superfood into something harmful for your body. And don't go away, because at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite healthy oatmeal recipe. It's simple to make and really good for your health. This recipe can strengthen your immune system, protect your heart, help clean your blood vessels, and improve your gut health. But first, we need to talk about these dangerous mistakes that could be sabotaging your health right now. If you or someone you know eats oats regularly, this information is crucial. Recent scientific research has been shedding light on the negative effects that can emerge when oats are consumed incorrectly. What most people don't realize is that small, common mistakes can transform this powerful food into something potentially harmful to your health. Let me start by explaining why oats are considered one of nature's most powerful superfoods when consumed correctly. The benefits are truly amazing, and I want you to understand what you could be missing out on if you're making any of these critical mistakes. First, let's talk about cholesterol control. Inside oats, there's something remarkable called beta-glucan. Think of it like a tiny sponge that moves through your body, collecting bad cholesterol along the way. Scientists have found that this special fiber can significantly reduce your total cholesterol levels. In fact, studies published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that regular consumption of beta-glucan can help protect your heart and keep your blood vessels healthy. But that's just the beginning. Oats also have an incredible effect on blood sugar. That same beta-glucan I just mentioned. It acts like a natural time-release capsule for sugar in your body. Instead of causing a sudden spike in blood sugar that makes you feel energetic and then crashes you down, oats provide steady, consistent energy throughout your day. This is especially important for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. The third benefit might surprise you. It's about your gut health. You see, oats contain two types of fiber that work together like a cleaning crew for your intestines. The insoluble fiber helps move things along, preventing constipation, while the soluble fiber acts like food for the good bacteria in your gut. These good bacteria are crucial for your immune system and help your body absorb nutrients better. Speaking of the immune system, here's something fascinating. The beta-glucan in oats actually helps activate immune cells called macrophages. Think of these cells as your body's security guards. They protect you from infections and keep you healthy. Research published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that beta-glucan can significantly improve your body's immune response, making you more resistant to both viral and bacterial infections. But here's where things get serious and potentially dangerous. Despite all these amazing benefits, you might be making some critical mistakes that not only prevent you from getting these benefits, but could actually be harmful to your health. Now I'm going to reveal these mistakes one by one. Some of them might surprise you, and I bet you're making at least one of them without even knowing it. The first dangerous mistake, let me ask you something. Do you eat your oats raw without soaking them first? If you do, you're not alone. Many people do this. But here's the problem. Raw oats contain something called phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that acts like a magnet for important minerals like iron, zinc, and calcium, preventing your body from absorbing them. Over time, this could lead to mineral deficiencies that affect your bone health and immune system. The solution? Always soak your oats for at least 8 hours before eating them. This simple step can dramatically reduce the phytic acid content and make all those wonderful nutrients available to your body. Think of it like unlocking a treasure chest. Soaking is the key that gives you access to all the nutritional gold inside. The second mistake is something most people never think about, but it's crucial. It has to do with the type of oats you're buying. Conventional oats are often treated with pesticides like glyphosate, which can leave residues in the food. These pesticides have been linked to various health issues, including hormone problems and an increased risk of chronic diseases. The solution here is simple. Whenever possible, choose organic oats. Yes, they might cost a little more, but isn't your health worth that small extra investment? The third mistake could be happening right in your kitchen, and it involves what you're adding to your oats. Many people try to make their oatmeal taste better by adding sugar or artificial sweeteners. This is like taking a healthy food and turning it into dessert. Excess sugar can cause blood sugar spikes, increasing your risk of insulin resistance, diabetes, and heart problems. Artificial sweeteners aren't any better. They can negatively affect your gut bacteria and cause digestive discomfort. Instead of sugar or artificial sweeteners, try adding fresh fruits like bananas or apples. These natural sweeteners come with their own set of nutrients and won't sabotage the health benefits of your oats. The fourth mistake is about portion size. Yes, oats are healthy, but too much of a good thing can become problematic. Consuming large amounts of oats can overload your digestive system, causing bloating, gas, and abdominal discomfort. The key is moderation. Start with about half a cup of dry oats and adjust based on how your body responds. The fifth mistake involves storage. Oats contain natural oils that can become rancid when exposed to heat, light, and air. Improperly stored oats lose nutrients and can develop unpleasant tastes and odors. Always store your oats in an airtight container in a cool, dark, and dry place, and pay attention to expiration dates. The sixth mistake is about combination. Some people mix oats with foods that are difficult to digest, like whole milk, cheese, or excessive fatty foods. This combination can slow down digestion and cause gastric discomfort, especially for people with sensitive digestion. Instead, combine your oats with light, nutrient-rich foods like fresh fruits, seeds, and nuts that aid digestion and increase the nutritional value of your meal. The seventh mistake involves hydration. Oats are rich in fiber, but for these fibers to work properly in your body, you need adequate hydration throughout the day. Without enough water, the fiber in oats can actually cause constipation and intestinal discomfort. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water to help the fibers do their job efficiently. Now, as promised, here's an incredible medicinal oatmeal recipe that's been passed down through generations. This isn't just any ordinary oatmeal, it's a powerful combination of ingredients that work together to heal and strengthen your body. Ingredients: 1/2 cup organic whole oats, 1.5 cups plant-based milk, almond, coconut, or oat milk, 1 tablespoon chia or flax seeds, rich in omega-3, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, rich in antioxidants, 1 teaspoon honey, optional for natural sweetness, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, a slice of fresh ginger or 1/2 teaspoon powdered ginger, aids digestion, 1 teaspoon raw cacao powder, optional for extra antioxidants, 1 tablespoon chopped almonds or walnuts, 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder, optional, aids digestion. Preparation: in a small pot, combine the oats and plant-based milk. Cook over medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. When the oats start to soften and thicken, add the chia or flax seeds, cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, cacao, and cardamom. Mix well until all ingredients are incorporated. Enjoy this nutritious and healing oatmeal to boost your health. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, adjusting the consistency with more liquid if needed. Remove from heat, add the nuts, stir, and sweeten with honey if desired. This medicinal oatmeal isn't just breakfast, it's a powerful combination of ingredients that work together to heal and strengthen your body. When consumed regularly, especially in the morning, it can help with inflammation, digestion, and even boost your immune system. But before I end this video, I need to tell you about something incredible. We recently released a video about a famous Russian doctor who lived past 100 years old and his secret morning oatmeal recipe. If you want to discover this health-transforming recipe and learn how to use oats to potentially add years to your life, click on the video appearing on your screen right now. God bless you all, and I'll see you in our next video.